got a 110 set up. All the 110s hung up. That's about 5 of them there. Yeah, 5. Good to go. Wow. Dealing with the little station here. Wheels set up. All the wheels. Got my bug body up there. It's about a little soldering iron kit there. Got my little RC tools. This, the next rustler. Working on this. Change this up just now. Got some gas there. Half for the mosquitoes. Got my Skyfly. A wheel here. Got the rest someplace. And a bunch of junk. My bodies. And oh look, I find one more 110 just sitting there. So that's 6. Wow. We're coming to the big dogs. All the 1.8s. Let's get this cheap Ferrari body shit on it. My buggy. Yeah, they work. This body here working on. Quite done yet. Got a GTP2 there. Big boy. Come over, you know. This GTR body. Take a couple of beating, you know. Got a GTP2. Afna. 1.8. I'm coming to the big boy in the back. It's my 1.7 scale. DM1. Dual exhaust. Dual exhaust. In the rear. Wow. Who to now? I'm almost going to see the big boy here. XO1. Who want to run? Let me know. Good to go. Show you the inside. Woo-wee. You got a big 34 pinion, 48 gear, sport gear. Castle Creation Mamba Max system. Got my 2 3-cell Venom battery, 11.1. Big boy. Can't really keep it on the road yet, but getting there. The body just fit right down. So easy. Big boy. XO1. And that's my little shop there. Watch around the place. Oh. Hey, well, next time. See you later. Ron out. 1.